Budget camera phones can serve as a reliable investment for savvy smartphone photographers. With the smartphone technology rapidly improving, finding cheap smartphones that can take unbelievable photos is now possible. But there are multiple options available in the market right now, so it's difficult to choose the best one. So to help you out in choosing the best budget camera smartphone, in this video I am going to show you top 5 best newly launched budget camera smartphone that you can consider to buy for 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which smartphone did you like the most. Please hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Xiaomi Poco F3, a powerful budget smartphone with a powerful camera. The Poco F3 is a budget powerhouse with a fantastically mighty processor capable of playing back the most rip-roaring of 3D games. It's an affordable 5G smartphone and the best camera smartphone at its price, and it is a balanced handset that is good at everything and excellent for gaming. Coming to the main point for which this phone is listed here, the camera. With a 48MP main camera, we have seen a lot of phones with a similar photographic credentials to the Poco F3, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. The tried and tested sensor grabs the decent photos across the lighting conditions, and with the addition of the tele macro camera which takes a great close-up photos, and it's fair to call this phone a total package. And with its powerful processor, the post-processing of the pictures is really good and the color rendering is also good. Also, it is excellent for movie watching with its ample 6.67-inch AMOLED screen matched with the stereo speakers. The Poco F3 looks and sounds great for the price. Consider the smartphone for its great 120Hz screen, large battery with a fast charging and amazing set of cameras. The only disappointing thing here is there is no zoom camera provided. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G, Samsung's best budget camera smartphone. Samsung's sole entry on this list is the Galaxy A52 5G, which is arguably the best entry in its budget and mid-range Galaxy A series of 2021 that you can even consider to buy for 2022. On paper, this is a solid camera phone with the 4 lenses that are all high resolution than equivalents you would see on other phones. Paired with the Samsung Smart Scene Optimization and Artificial Intelligence to make the most of any picture. The handset lacks some of the cool features that makes the Galaxy S series best, but the lower price makes up for that. Beyond the cameras, this is also a solid phone in all areas that it counts, with a good looking screen, solid battery life and 5G connectivity. Consider this phone for its high resolution main camera and has a good looking display. The disappointment here is it is not so powerful. OnePlus Nord 2, a fantastic OnePlus camera smartphone at a budget price. OnePlus Nord phones are a staple of this list of the best low-cost photography phones, and the newest entry in that line is the Nord 2. The OnePlus Nord 2 has a fantastic 50MP main camera that we have also seen on the few way more premium phones. This is joined by a less impressive but still useful ultra-wide and monochrome duo. Beyond this, the phone has a good looking screen, fast charging technology and lots of processing power. Coming to its specification, the smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset, comes in 3 RAM variants, that is 6GB, 8GB and the powerful one is a 12GB. Comes in 2 storage variants of 128GB and 256GB. The smartphone packs 4500 mAh of battery and comes with a fast charging support. The smartphone also features a 32MP of front selfie camera that takes beautiful selfies. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, the most premium camera smartphone at a budget price. Samsung surprised everyone when it dropped the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE price, and it is available for just $500 in the international market and around 35 to 40,000 Indian rupees. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is in terms where it fits into the S20 range, technically the S20e or S20 Lite, but aside from a few things that have been cut from the more expensive models, it is actually nothing like a budget handset, as it is still loaded with the premium hardware and features. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with a large 6.5-inch HDR10 Plus rated screen. For example, it boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, which is buttery smooth and shared with many of the very best flagship phones that cost significantly more. The camera system on the S20 FE is also a good all-rounder, with a trio of the rear-facing cameras joined by the high-definition 32MP selfie camera. Throw in a brand new copy of the Android 10, the very latest Android operating system, a stylish design, and a rock-solid 4500 mAh of battery, and you have got yourself a great smartphone package. You can consider this phone for its buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate screen, premium internal hardware, 5G connectivity, and ultimate cameras. The disappointment are it is little bit expensive. It doesn't fall under budget category, but it is little bit expensive than a budget smartphone. Google Pixel 5, overall the best budget camera smartphone for 2022. The $450 Pixel 5 features a 6.3-inch OLED screen that's on the smaller side for the budget class, but it's a bigger than the previous generation 6.2-inch panel on the Pixel 4a 5G. There is a bigger battery too, a 4680 mAh cell that will last through a full day of heavy use and well into a day too if you are a lighter user. The Pixel 5a also offers IP67 water resistance for added peace of mind in the event of accidental spills or tumbles into the water. Coming to its cameras, it packs a dual rear camera comprising of 12.2MP main sensor with an aperture of f1.7 and a 16MP ultra-wide camera with a 119-degree field of view and an aperture of f2.2. And it also sports a 8MP front selfie camera that takes amazing selfies. You are getting Google smartphone camera software here, which means pictures are tweaked and balanced to the perfection behind the scenes. Sure, there is no zoom, but if you don't need that, this is a great choice for photographer. Consider this phone for its amazing software experience, best OLED screen, and amazing camera software for processing the pictures, and the best camera system that takes incredible pictures. The disappointment here are only 2 rear cameras are given. They would have added a telephoto camera here. So these are the top 5 best budget camera smartphones that you can consider to buy for 2022. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.